This case considered the issue of family provisions, and whether or not the court could disregard the interests of other beneficiaries named in a will, when considering whether or not provision for a man's widow was inadequate. In this case, a man died and his widow applied under the family provisions and argued that she had not been adequately provided for by her husband under his will. The man had allowed her to live in the family home as a life tenant, had provided her with a sum of cash, the right to dividends and income from a loan, and left the balance to his children and grandchildren. The woman made an application and argued that the provision for her was inadequate, and that the court should disregard the interests of the other beneficiaries named in the will, since they had not made an application under the family provisions. The central issue for the court was whether or not the provision for the woman was inadequate, and if the court could disregard the interests of the other beneficiaries. The court ultimately held that the